Hi students, today we can discuss about the data visualization. Data visualization means it is used for the graphical representation of information and data. It is used for the graphical representation of information and the data can be achieved using visual element like figure, chart, graph, maps and more. Data visualization tools provides a way to present these figures and graph. Often it is essential to analyze massive amount of information and make data driven decisions. That is converting the complex data into an easy to understand representation. That is converting the data into the graphical representations. We have different types of libraries in data visualization in Python, that is matplotlib and seaborn. Matplotlib means is one of the most powerful tool for data visualization in Python. Matplotlib is an incredible, beautiful 2D plotting library. It is an incredibly powerful and beautiful 2D plotting library, Matplot. It is easy to use and provide a huge number of examples for tackling unique problems. In order to get Matplotlib into your script, you should have to import first. First you need to import it. How we can import? There is an import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. We should have to import the library first by using the import statement. Import matplotlib.pyplot. It is a library. We should have to import it as plt. As plt means it is the alias for the matplotlib. Plt is an alias for the matplotlib.pyplot. Instead of using matplotlib.pyplot, we can use a plt if you are using any of this particular library functions to plot the graph. Okay, let's see in the future. If you do not have the matplotlib.pyplot, by using the pip command, we should have to install the library. That is, by using pip install matplotlib, it will install library to the local machine. Matplotlib.pyplot is a collection of command style functions that make matplotlib work like a MATLAB. It work like a MATLAB. It's used to emulate the MATLAB. Each pyplot function makes some changes to figure. We can create a figure by using the matplotlib. We can create a figure, create a plotting area in the figure. We can create a plotting area in the figure, plot some lines in the plotting area, decorate the plot with label. We can provide the labels for the x-axis, y-axis label. Like that, we can, by using the matplotlib, we can provide the labels to the plot. We have different types of graph, that is bar chart, line chart, etc. Once the graph is ready, we can show the graph by using plt.show. I'll show you in the code to display the graph. We have different types like plot graph, histogram, power spectre, bar chart, error chart, scatter chart. These are the different charts. See, we have the plot line chart, bar histogram chart, bar chart. There's a customize. We can customize the color, line, dashed. We can use a dashed line or underline. It will be minus, like that. It will be the dashed. We can give the color like green, different lines, scatter plot. We can draw by using the matplotlib. We can draw the line graph by using the matplotlib. Means first we should have to import the matplotlib.pyplot library as plt. Plt is the alias for the matplotlib.pyplot library. We have the x values and y values. X values like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y values are 0, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. This is the y values. We can plot the graph by using plt.plot. It will plot the line graph. plt.plot function which draw the line graph or plot the line graph based on the x values and y values. Once the graph is ready, we can show the graph by using plt.show or display the graph by using plt.show. Let the x-axis, this is the x-axis. We can give the values like 0, 1, 2. 3, 4, 5. This is the x-axis values. Y-axis like 0, 5, 10, 15. We can plot point like 0, 1, 1, 4. This is the y-axis. Okay. Once the graph is ready, we can display by using plt.show. Some piplot methods we have, that is text. If you want to add a text in the arbitrary location in the graph, we can use a text function. X label, it will provide a label to the x-axis. It will add the label to the x-axis. Y label, which add the y label for the y-axis. Title, once the plot or graph is ready, we can give the title to the plot. Clear means remove all plot from the axis. Save figure, save fig function saves your figure to a file. You can save your figure to a some another file. Legend, legend show the legend on the plot. Okay, this is a graph. By using matplotlib, we are plotting, we are draw the graph. We are providing the x-axis label by using x label, that is x is the label, y label by using the y label we can provide it. We can save the graph by using the save fig function. It will save once the graph is generated. You can save to the quad.png file. You can just save into the quad.png file. Once the graph is ready, we can show or display by using .show. Okay, it is not no return value. This is a graph. We can plot. We are plotting the line plot based on the x value and y value. We are providing the x label and y axis label. Once the graph is generated, we can give the title. That is by using plt.title. My graph, first graph is the title of the graph. Once the graph is ready, we can display by using the show. By using show function, we are generating two lines. Simple 2 lines. How we miss? First will be generate the first line for the x1 and y1. This is the first line. Green color is the first line. For x-axis, we have the value 1, 2, 3. For y-axis, we have the 2 at 1 point, but point 1. It is the y value is the 2. At 2 point, that is x-axis value 2. At 2, it is the 4. Y value will be the 4. So it is graph like this. Again, at the x-axis value 3, it is pointing to the 1. So the graph is like this. It is plot the line graph for the line 1. Label of the line 1 is line 1. It is a label. Second graph is based on the x2 and y2. It is plotting and plot the line graph for the x2 and y2. And once the graph is ready, we can give the label for the x label and y axis label by using the plt.x label, plt.y label. Once the graph is ready, we can give the title, that is 2 lines on same graph. Once the graph is ready, we can give the legend. Legend is nothing but there is a legend of the graph. This is the title of the graph. This is the legend of the graph. Once the graph is ready, we can display the graph by using plt.show. We can customize the plot by using, we can for the line graph, we can specify the color code, which line color, and line style, which is the dashed style, which is the line style. Line width, we can specify the line width. Marker means this is a marker. Okay, O is the marker. You can also give the plus symbol or any of the symbol. I am giving O. Marker face color, which is we are specifying. Marker face color is blue color. Marker size color is 12. Okay, we can customize the plot. Bar graph. This is a bar graph. By using the bar function, we can plot the bar graph. That is plt.bar. We can specify the name, values, and color. You can specify. It will plot the bar graph. We can customize. We can specify the color also. Bar chart. We can give the bar chart by using the bar function. We can draw. We can specify the x-axis label, y-axis label, and title of the graph. Once the graph is ready, we can show plt.show. Histogram. Histogram is a graph showing frequently distribution. It is a graph showing the frequency distribution. It is a graph showing the number of observation within each given interval. We have the age. It will range from 0 to 100 bins. How many bins? That is the interval. How many for each 10 intervals? We have the bins. We have the bins. We are plotting the histogram by using plt.hist. It will generate the histogram graph, for which histogram type is bar graph. It is a bar. Which type of the histogram is? It's a bar. Okay, it will generate the histogram graph, and we can specify the x-axis label, y-axis label. Once the title of the graph, once the graph is ready, we can show the graph by using or displaying the graph by using show function. We can give the color code. We can the scatter plot by using the scatter function. We can plot the graph. This is a scatter plot. Legend means it will be the legend. Star is the this will be the legend. Once the graph is ready, you can show. Pie chart means these are the pie chart, which is the activity like eat, sleep, work, play. These are the activity sizes. Like for 3 it is at 12.5%. For eat, sleep will be 25 point something. For 7, work 33 point something. For play it is 6, right? So 29.2%. This is a pipe which generating the pipe. How the pie chart is generated? plt.py by using the pie function which generate the pie chart. Legend. These are the legend. plt.legend. Once the graph is ready, we can show bar display by using plt.show. We can curve means because we are using the range function, so it is a numerical kind of things. We are using the numpy. We should have to import the numpy function. And the np.sin, this is a mathematics function, that is a trigonometry function. We are importing the numpy. np.sin. We are plotting the graph for the sine value, that is a trigonometry function. Sine value, sine cos theta for sine theta. So sine theta of some value, it is generated the y-axis value. It will plot the line plot. Okay, we can add the text to the graph, that is by using the text. matplotlib.pyplot.text, which is used to add a text inside the plot. Inside the graph we can add. See, we are adding the text plt.text -5, 60 means this is the position where to add the text inside the graph. Okay, the text is parabola y equal to x to the power of 2. The font size, what is the text font size is 22. See, this is the parabola which are generated. We are specifying the text. How to add the patches, we can show you. We can be in the practical kind of things. We are using the Anaconda Navigator as an IDE. In their Jupyter, using the Jupyter notebook. You can click on Jupyter notebook. It will be open the notebook. It will be like a tree structure. We can upload. If you have any data sets, you can upload. From the upload, click on the upload. You can browse your dataset where your dataset is present. My dataset is present on desktop, so I am clicking in. Already it is uploaded, so it is asking overwrite. Yeah, you can overwrite. If you want to click on new, means you can click on the new notebook. Okay, see, we are importing the pandas. Pandas means it is a library for converting the raw data to the data frame. Import pandas as PD. PD is an alias for the pandas library, which is converting the raw data. Raw data may be CSV file or Excel file, which is converting into the data frame. And then once the data frame is ready, we can plot the graph. We are using to plot the graph or visualization, we are using the matplotlib.pyplot. We are importing the matplotlib.pyplot for the visualization purpose. Its alias is plt. Plt is the alias for this library. Data equal to pd.read.csv. We are reading the CSV file, that is tips.csv file. We are converting into the data frame. Once the data frame is ready, based on that we can plot the graph for the data frame by using the matplotlib.pyplot, that is plt. Plt is an alias for the matplotlib.pyplot. So plt.scatter, we are plotting the scatter graph based on date of day and date of tip. In the my data set, we have the two columns, that is date and tip. Based on this day and tip, we can generate the scatter plot. Okay, once a scatter plot is generated, we can give the title of the graph, that is scatter plot. We can provide the x-axis label, that is day, and y-axis label is tip. The next is bar chart. How to generate the bar chart means we should have to use the bar chart. PLT dot bar. We are specifying the columns on which bar chart is generating on which column, day and tip, which is generating on the day and tip. Where we can generate the histogram plot also for the tips.csv file, that is by using the hist plt.hist function. Based on the date in the dataset, we have the total bill. For the total bill, we are generating the histogram. Okay, by using plt.hist, we are generating the histogram plot for the total bill. What is a histogram means? Histogram is a graph. It is a graph showing the frequency distribution. Okay, for the total bill, it is showing the frequency distribution and providing the title of the graph. Once the graph is ready, we are displaying by plt.show. We can give the plt.legend also. Okay. Next is Seaborn. Seaborn is also a library which is built on top of the matplotlib library. Okay, Seaborn is a library which is built on top of the matplotlib library, which it is used for the visualization purpose. See, line plot. We are generating the line plot. For the x-axis will be sex and y-axis will be plotted based on the total bill. Data is the input for the data. Based on the data means it is converting the raw data to the data frame, right? It is we are assigning as a data to the data input. We are assigning the data frame as an input to the data. Based on that, it is plotting the line plot. See now the Seaborn, it is looking beautiful. Seaborn is because it is like it is plotting on top of the matplotlib, right? So it is looking beautiful. Scatter plot. See this is a histogram. Histogram we are specifying the data frame. We are assigning the data input as a data based on the x-axis is generated based on the total bill. So it is plotting the histogram graph. So it is the looking beautiful compared to the matplotlib. Okay, this is a legend, which is this is a legend. Okay, by default it will come in the Seaborn. This is a legend. Okay, thanks students for watching the video.